Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can see the details of the weapon mode, and also you can synchronize with your weapon to auto pick it. So what you need to do first is go to your Battle Royale page by tap the Battle Royale banner at the right of your screen. This is the Battle Royale mode page. And then tap your loadout at the bottom of your screen. As you can see, there are a lot of options here. What I want to show you is this one, weapons modes. Tap the weapon modes. As you can see, this is all the weapon modes that you can find or you can loot in Battle Royale mode. For example, this is one of it, the Sniper Expert. For example, this is my favorite weapon modes in the game. As you can see, this is a default if your sniper weapon don't use it, and this is the advanced, and this is the detailed information. Significantly suppress weapon sway. Snipers, marksman, rifles continuously fire when holding the fire button. So you will be firing consistently with this weapon mode. And also this one, fast ADS, significantly increased scope speed, so it made you killing faster head to head with your enemy or your opponent. And also you can synchronize to quick pick up. So if for example, if your LMG don't wanna use these ads, just untick it, and when in the game your LMG will not use this ADS. But I recommend to check the box. Please feel free to try it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.